Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Chainlink Functions for verifiable off-chain data, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Chainlink Functions for verifiable off-chain data, begin by ensuring you have a supported development environment set up. Make sure you have Node.js installed on your machine. You can download Node.js from its official website. After installation, open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new project directory for your Chainlink Functions by using the command dir followed by your project name. Navigate into your project directory with the command cd and the directory name you just created. Next, initialize a new Node.js project with npm init. This command will create a package.json file in your project directory. Now, it's time to install the Chainlink Functions library. Use the command npm install at chainlink/functions to add the library to your project. Once the installation is complete, you need to set up your environment variables. Create a new file called .env in your project root to store sensitive data. Fill in your .env file with the necessary API keys and other required configurations. Refer to the Chainlink documentation for the specific keys you'll need. After setting up your environment variables, you can create a new JavaScript file to write your function. Create a file named index.js in your project directory. In index.js, require the Chainlink Functions library and any other needed modules. Start by importing the necessary dependencies at the top of your file. Now, you can define your main function to handle off-chain data requests. Use async/await syntax to manage your asynchronous calls effectively. Make sure to implement error handling to manage potential issues during execution. Next, utilize the Chainlink Functions library methods to request off-chain data. Be sure to follow the specific guidelines and parameters provided in the documentation. Once your function is complete, you can test it locally. Run your script in the terminal using the command node index.js. Monitor the output and check for any errors. If everything runs smoothly, you can proceed to deploy your Chainlink function. Make sure to follow the deployment instructions in the Chainlink documentation to ensure a successful deployment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.